What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a mirror, you guys, for our Dodge Avenger. You see? The original one is done, you guys. Is done. We had it held up by duct tape. I'm utilizing the car right now. I might take it. I'm actually getting used to it, you guys. All right. I'm starting to like the Dodge Avenger. Side mirror right here. This is the driver's side. I did purchase this from Amazon. All right. It comes in a nice little cloth bag. It's pretty cool. Oh, it is well protected, you guys. Just bag recyclable. I can use it as a little book bag. All right, so here we go. And we have these black covers right here. I'm going to take these off. Yep, they're covers. So I have not changed a rear view mirror on a Dodge, and I didn't even look at the I didn't even look at a YouTube video, you guys. So I am just going to try to wing it out. If we can't figure it out, then we will, of course, do what y'all doing right now and look up a YouTube video. But right here we have this foam. I don't know if this is supposed to stay on here. All right, let's take this one off first. All right, so let's see how to take this thing. Now it broke here. Now what I think happened is my nephew said somebody hit it in the parking lot and knocked it down. So let's see. Let me take this off. All right. Now I don't think you need to take the panel off. Let's check this part right here. All right. It's a little panel right there. Get y'all a little closer so y'all can see. So there's a panel right here. Oh, there we go. All right. So we have 2 screws. All right. So I need one there. And there's one right here. And then to get to there, I will need to take this electrical part off because I don't want to take the whole panel off, you guys. So let's take this electric clip. Oh, it slides right on out. Oh, that's nice. Oh, okay. So this is the electrical part right here. So where's the clip? Is it a push down? How you get this thing out? 2 hands. 2 hands, you guys. 2 hands. It's just a lift up. Oh, push down, and then pull out. Oh, pull this back. But you do have to push down and pull out. Oh, there you go. All right, you guys. So right here, you have to push down on this part right here. I know y'all can't see it, but right here, you got to push down on this and then pull it out. All right, now let's get a little wrench. My little wrench set. Or a little socket set. All right, you guys. So I have my little socket set. This is my little Craftsman set. And this is a 8mm nut right here. 8mm nut. All right. And then we have another one. Now I'm going to have an issue because I cannot get this in here. Can I lift this panel back just a tad bit? Oh, pops right on out. Did I break it? No, I didn't break it. I hope I didn't break it. All right. So that's good. And then I got this stupid motor in the way right there. So let me just go ahead and grab a ratchet, guys, because this is not going to work out for me. I'm gonna get a ratchet. All right, you guys. So I have my little socket set. This is my little Craftsman set, and this is a 8mm nut right here. 8mm nut. All right, and then we have another one. Now I'm gonna have an issue because I cannot get this in here. Can I lift this panel back just a tad bit? Oh, pops right on out. Did I break it? No, I didn't break it. I hope I didn't break it. All right, so that's good. And then I got this stupid motor in the way right there. So let me just go ahead and grab a ratchet, guys, because this is not going to work out for me. I'm gonna get a ratchet. All right, you guys. So I have an 8mm ratchet, and it fits. Nice. I was getting worried there, you guys. Oh, this is a third one. So you have one right here, you have one right here, and then the third one, there is a black cover right there. Take this black cover off. Why is it there? I don't know, you guys. I don't know what this is protecting, but it's there, okay? So we are going to take our socket and take that loose. Now the mirror is moving now, so I have to hold the mirror because I don't want the whole thing to fall. And something fell. Probably because it's broke. All right. And there we go, you guys. The broken mirror is out. Not too much on assembling this thing or disassembling All right, so there we go. We didn't need a YouTube video. That's easy, you guys. Actually, working on this car is pretty easy. Like I said, when I was reviewing the car when it came here, this would be a good car to DIY because it's not that hard to work on. All right. Now, is it reliable? I don't know. All right, so we got the new one. And this foam, let me see something real quick. Does this have foam on it? This had a protector here. I'm pretty sure the protector don't need to be there. No, protector don't need to be there. All right, so the foam is on this one. All right, so they did leave the foam on. Or did they? Let me see. All right. This is the same. That's the same. But their foam, the foam on this comes out a little bit more. And on top of this foam, you have these washers. So you see the difference. I don't know if it's a big difference or not, but you can see that. So I'm going to leave it as is right now. And let me see. Because if I take it off, I don't think it's going to make a difference. I might just take it off, but y'all can see. So right now I'm going to leave it off and see what happens. I don't think I need this. All right. So let's go ahead and put this on. All right, you guys, one step at a time. I'm going to put on the same way I took off. So I'm going to match up the holes. So we got one here. Nope, it's not. Okay, so I see now, and y'all probably can't see, but these little black knobs right here, there's a black knob here, there's a black knob here. And if you can see, there's holes on our panel right here. So there's a hole here, and then there's a hole right there. So you see the holes? We are going to put those black pins and match them up. All right, so it's in. Now we're good. And we are going to take one of our sockets and we're just going to go ahead and put it in. And that's it. Righty-tighty, you guys. Righty-tighty. This was actually fun. But since this one is new, I want to put a new one on the other side. All right, so we got this one on right here. And I'm going to put the black protector back on. I probably didn't need to put it back on, but we're just going to put it on. For show, you guys. It's all for show. All right, so this part... we'll hook the electrical up last. How about that? I should hook it up now to see if it works, but this stuff don't take long to take out and put back on. Actually, this was probably the easiest thing ever, changing this mirror. Like I said, you guys, with this car, my nephew's not driving it, so I'm just driving it. That way it's just not sitting down, and I'm pretty sure he don't want to drive this car no more since his granddad got him that Acura at Coparts. He been staying with that Acura. So, oh, I need the ratchet for that. So yeah, he been staying with the Acura, and I just been driving this back and forth to work. Now, one thing I can say, I mean, it burns oil, but what car at almost, well, this is almost 200,000 miles, don't burn oil, right? Even a Toyota burns oil, you guys. So we got this slot here. Now let me make sure I'm putting this on correctly. All right. Okay, I think it's in. Now let's push this panel back on. All right, panel is on. Yeah, panel is on, you guys. It's just easy to come off, so that's pretty good. Got the cover. This will be a cool car to give y'all some content on the channel, fixing this. I don't know how many people owns a Dodge Avenger, but you know, for the people that own one, hopefully I helped you out. Car's not bad, you guys. Just need a fender. You know, if you want to make the car look good, if you want a hoopty, then just leave it the way it is, right? So fender, bumper, maybe this part on the door could get fixed. Just a little scratch there. Maybe when somebody hit it. Maybe when they hit the car, they knocked this down and hit the bumper too. However they did it, I don't know. People are crazy, you guys. But let's see if the window, the mirror works. All right, you guys, and for the moment of truth, all right, I'm going to turn it to that mirror and move it. Let's see. It works. It works, you guys. This is good. All right. I don't know why it's so much fun. Have y'all ever drove without your mirror? That is insane. You definitely need it. All right, so that will be all, you guys. I will put a link in the description. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.